Welcome, y'all. Welcome back to Scooter's Used Electronics. Do you need some sort of electronic bullshit? I'm sure I probably got it. Right here we got a nice little VCR I'm about to try to fix. Maybe. Let's see, it's a 2003 model. DVD, VCR, some shit like that. Zenith. It doesn't work. There we go. And the camera over. Alright. Let's open this sumbitch up. I've already taken all the screws out. Some of that. And once I had it opened up, I found out this wasn't even attached anymore, so I guess that's optional. I don't know where the hell that went. Let's see. Delicately take the faceplate off. Very carefully. Now, I do want to say this, which I did fucking break it. Kind of broke it. I want to keep this here for all the little buttons and the LCD display. Unfortunately, I kind of broke the board just then, but oh well. I just want the buttons and the RCAs, so we'll take this and we will put that aside. Let's see. That looks like that's still attached. Nice little heavy-duty motor. We'll save that for another project. It might come in handy. Take that out. Pull that out because that's another electric motor. Wow, that's pretty cool. Check that out. All the windings. That's kind of cool. Reminds me of an old airplane. So yeah, we'll definitely hang on to that for another project. Don't need no ribbons. So I think there's another motor here. You even get me. You ain't paying no attention to me, so.
I'm getting that.
How's this damn thing coming out? Yeah, no good. No. Try that out. Another electric motor here with a little, well, 2-day was still on it. Come on out, you motherfucker. Some bitch won't come out. There we go. Another little electric motor. Those always come in handy for random bullshit. Let's see. Nothing really on this here I really need. I might try to pull this pulley off. So that might come in handy for something. I don't destroy it first. How's this come apart? I wonder. What the hell's this? What the hell? Okay, I guess it comes apart like that. So there's nothing else I really need on that. See, we've got a nice little belt here. We'll save that. Let's see, I'll go find this other in a few days. Nice little pulley deal. I can use that belt on to mesh up with the other pulley. Save that. Let's see, what else do we have in here that might be usable? I already took the cord off, make an extension cord out of it. Huh. See, does this board come out? Oh, there's a screw there. Hit the damn screw. Boop. No beep. That all now. Let's see. This one should be free. Oh, there we go. More screws. God, there's so many screws in this son of a bitch. It's like I didn't want you to take it apart. Ow. Son of a bitch. I don't care for the other bit. Screw. Got bonus parts. Bonus parts are always nice. You know. Very carefully take this thing out. Like that. Like so. Yeah, fucking broken nail, son of a bitch. Lots of extra doodads here. So we'll delicately take those off, you know. There we go. Easy way to take those off without a soldering gun. So we'll save those for another project. Let's see, this TV tuner. Yeah, I don't really need it. Let's see, there was one other doodad on here I was wanting. This tensiometer deal thingy mabobber. Yeah, I think it's the only one that's on there. Yeah. You know you're gonna be recording me?
Yeah, I am. How would you know? You're not on this side of the camera.
So you're doing something completely something else? There we go. Get down. Look, I can't pronounce the fucking name of this little deal though. We'll save that. Let's see, do we have anything else over here? Little transformer, whatnot. Hey, there's a little fuse. How about that? That fuse. I don't think I need any more of that crap. I think that's it for now. So, now once you found your source of the problem, how's this thing go again? The hell is in my damn way? Get the fuck out of my way. Son of a bitch. How the fuck did this thing go in? Oh. Once you find the source of your problem, put the thing back together, ever so, you know, delicately, whatever. Okay. There. That's good. We'll take this doodad here, whatever it used to do, and that's a hell of a gear. Hell of a gear.
It's about the catcher. Down the second base will be the ball. But one away.
Oh, put that in there where it's supposed to go. You know. I think that's in there. Got a few little bonus parts. Got to put back in there because they might be required. I don't know. Let's see. That thing. There. That looks like it goes there. This doodad. I did salvage the little motor out of this to fix the other DVD part. They actually really fix it. That's back together. Huh. This doodad, the faceplate.
You're at 9.5 minutes.
Huh?
You're at 9.5 minutes. Well, almost 10.
That's probably the boring fucking video. Put that back on. Put that back in there. Get in there, you son of a bitch. There's another screw. Now we get to put this back on there. Put the damn thing out the damn way. Yeah. Get on there, you son of a bitch. There, get in. There. And I think it's fixed. Just in case, let's give it a good measure. There. Good as new. See? Slightly used. $20, yours. Some assembly required. Batteries not included. Alright, that's it. Since I imagine y'all are pretty bored of this video, that's probably about it. I just wanted to dick around just a little bit. Thought you'd enjoy me salvaging some good shit out of this, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Because it was junk anyway. And it will no longer play any more movies. Unless, yeah. So, I'm just going to find another one. Alright, that's it for this video, as I clean my mess up.
Okay, stop it.
Later.